From HealthyTreatsMarket.com. I want to give you guys a piece of advice. My sister taught me this. If you buy bones, like my husband bought rotisserie chicken, and so I took 2 of the chickens, the rotisserie chickens, I stuck them in an Instant Pot, and what I did is I filled the line up to the max with water, and I did it under broth, and I did it twice. So what happens when you do that is the bones become so brittle. Do you see that? They fall apart, okay? So when you're trying to make bone broth or collagen, this is what you want, okay? See that? See all that's inside the bone there? That is all super healthy for you. There is no collagen out there that is gonna give you what this is gonna give you. So my plan is I'm gonna take the fat off, okay? Because I don't want my bone broth like full of fat. I'll take all the fat off, but I am gonna blend all this with a hand blender. I'm gonna pour all this in, I'm gonna strain it like this. There we go, look at that. So I'm gonna pour this out. I'm gonna try to grab the fat. And then once the bones start coming in, I'm just gonna pitch it. I'm good, sweetie, I'm good, thank you. See this, guys? And then once I hit all the bones, okay, there's some more fat there. I mean, the wings literally just fell apart on me. But that's what I'm gonna do. I am going to go through this fat, get rid of it, and then I'm gonna just take all these bones. Whoa, how'd this get in here? I'm gonna take all these bones and I'm just gonna blend them with a hand blender. This bone broth has more collagen in it than anything you'll ever take as a supplement, okay? Plus it's all natural, plus it's cheaper, okay? So I just wanted to give you that piece of advice. Again, when you put bones in an Instapot, it's just like salmon. I don't know if you guys ever bought canned salmon, but canned salmon has the bones in it, but they're so brittle like this, they just break apart and they fall apart. It worked, look, watch. The bones literally just break apart. So I'm gonna get my immersion blender and blend this whole thing. And then I'm gonna refrigerate it. I use this hand blender to blend it. And honestly, if you don't have one of these, if you have a blender, you can use a Vitamix or something. It might even turn out better, but I wanna show you. Normal bone broth is clear. Look at the color of this stuff. Look at that. That's all the extra collagen and marrow that you're getting from the bone, okay? So, and you know what? It is delicious. Like, I love it. I haven't even added salt to this yet. It's got so much more flavor, okay? So this is what it looks like, just so you see it's not clear anymore. It's nice and cloudy, and and I'm gonna refrigerate it to see if any fat comes up. Sorry, I lost my voice. It was another market day. See how thick this is? The stuff floats to the top, but this is all. So I just wanted to give you guys a piece of advice, especially if you're on a budget. This is how you can save money. You have osteoporosis, you need to be doing this, okay? There's nothing better than this if you got any kind of bone or collagen issues, arthritis, whatever you got. Okay, guys, we love you. Come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to Healthy Treats Market on YouTube, and like the Healthy Treats Market page on Facebook. Join the Healthy Treats Market support group, and go online and download the recipe book that's online, okay? We got a whole recipe book, and this will be in there soon. Thanks for watching. God bless you.